In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view someone else's LinkedIn connections. This can be particularly useful when you're trying to understand the network of a colleague or to discover potential new connections. Let's dive right in and take a look at how you can access this information efficiently. The first thing you need to do is fire up your preferred browser and go straight to the LinkedIn homepage. If you're a regular LinkedIn user, this page might already look familiar. You'll find yourself on the site's front page, which is your portal to all things LinkedIn. At the top right corner of this page, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Sign In page, enter your LinkedIn credentials, your email or phone number and your password, and click Sign In to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your LinkedIn homepage. This is your personal hub where you can see updates from your network and more. From this page, you want to navigate to your network by locating the My Network tab at the top of the page. Clicking on this tab will direct you to a page where you can manage your connections and see new invitations. With the network page open, it's time to search for the individual's profile whose connections you wish to view. In the search bar at the top, type in the name of the person and hit enter. Remember, LinkedIn is all about professional connections. So make sure you have a legitimate reason for viewing someone's connections, like exploring potential business opportunities or collaborations. Once you've found and clicked on their profile, the next step is relatively simple. On their profile page, look for the Connections section. Depending on their privacy settings, you should be able to click on a number that reveals all their connections. It's important to note that if they have chosen to keep their connections private, you may not be able to view this information. LinkedIn allows users to control who can view their connections for privacy reasons. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily view another user's connections network on LinkedIn, provided their privacy settings allow it. As always, use this information wisely and respectfully, maintaining the professional integrity that LinkedIn encourages. Remember that building a strong, authentic network takes time and mutual respect. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating your LinkedIn experience with confidence. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy networking!